Hello, dear friends and followers. Good afternoon, bonjour, buongiorno, guten tag. Thank you for joining us again at our channel, Val Eurosport. Guess what? We have yet another beautiful addition to our inventory today. One of two today, August 16, 2023. This is a 2009 Aston Martin DB9. Let me turn the camera around here real quick. 2009 Aston Martin DB9 in a gorgeous jet black over ivory interior. This is the first time I see this color combination. Jet black on ivory. It's a very fetching combination. I like the light interior. It's just classy. Just going around real quick. Classic DB9 wheels. I believe they use these wheels anywhere between 2006 all the way through 2011, if I'm not mistaken. Love this shot right here. Look at these lights. Just beautiful craftsmanship. So let me start up this car really quick, and this time I'm going to do something I've never done on Aston Martin before, and that is listening to the exhaust. Something I do with Maseratis. So let's start up this car. Notice when you start this 09 and later year model Aston Martin, you have to push the key into the key slot here. But first you have to put your foot on the brake and hold it down. So press it down like so. So I'm gonna set the camera at the exhaust really quick. Let me exhaust. Turn this off really quick. Alright. Let's see. Here's the exhaust right here. Let's give it a shot now. Well, I hope you enjoy that. Let's see. And now is the time to take on a quick ride. 33,330 miles. D for drive. Watch this baby take off. Smooth brakes too, by the way. So, to close the top, very easy. All you gotta do is just push this button down here. And then it does its own thing. And then if you hold it long enough, it will close the windows as well. And we're on the way. Let me turn on the AC because it's rather warm today. Hold on, glass here, so we can hear that beautiful engine. So if you've been watching the market for these cars for a while, you'll notice that they don't really come down in price that much. I haven't seen any of these Aston Martins going into 30s. I see them in the mid 40s for the older models, 06. I don't particularly like the 2005 year model. They have, it's the first year for this body style, and I've noticed they got those yellow gauges instead of white lights. In our instrument cluster you get yellow lights, which I don't think is becoming for an Aston Martin. I think white light is so much better. Also, they have the same effect for the radio as well. And speaking of radio, when you turn it on, you notice that it has, I'll turn it down to a minimum here just so you can hear me better. You notice if you push the menu button, sorry, the mode button, you'll see CD, SR1, SR2, which means satellite radio 1 and 2, and auxiliary, as well as USB and iPod input. 6 CD changer, as you can see, and dash. I know for most of you CDs are already obsolete, but I still find CDs usable. If you want to turn on the navigation screen, all you need to do is push the nav button here and then push the enter button, and then it will pivot open, and press enter again and it will switch to the menu where you can zoom in and out. You can show the current position. I prefer the smooth ski slope without this bump here. Most people use a smartphone to navigate with Google Maps or rather Waze. I prefer Waze. It tells you where the speed traps are. So that's about all. Let's see if I can give it a little back. Phone keeps ringing off the hook. Alright, well, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead here. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you give us a chance and come in and test drive this beautiful Aston Martin DB9. Thank you for watching my channel.